Hey guys, I'm gonna be sharing one of our trade secrets with you today for free. In cupcake baking, okay? Have you often wondered why in commercial baking you are able to bake tons of cupcakes in less than an hour? I mean, like hundreds of cupcakes in less the time. Now, this is the secret to getting as many cupcakes as you want in half the time. Tip number one, do not bake your cupcakes in a cupcake tray. Bake them on your baking sheet or in a baking tray using high quality cupcake liners. You have to be ready to invest in good quality cupcake liners like you can see in this video. Tip number two, when filling your cupcake liners, if your cupcake batter is runny, I would advise you fill them up with a cup that has a spout. Do not try to fill runny batter with an ice cream scoop. You can only use an ice cream scoop with a lever if your cupcake batter is thick. Okay? Now I'm going to pop them in the oven and allow it to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. And then we're just going to look at the cupcakes and see how aesthetically beautiful they are. It is well roundly shaped. It is not wobbly on any sides because of the quality of the cupcake liners. So remember, if you want to have multiple cupcakes in half the time, you have to invest in top quality cupcake liners and bake them directly in your baking sheet. Now, these are cheaper quality cupcake liners. I use them whenever I know I want to bake my cupcakes in a cupcake tray. You can see how beautiful these cupcakes are looking. They're well rounded, 360 degrees rounded, but I bake them in a cupcake pan. Now, this is the poor quality cupcake liners all arranged in my baking tray. Can you see how wobbly they're looking? But guess what? It's not going to affect the taste or the texture of the cupcakes. It might not end up looking all well-rounded when it's all cooked. It's not going to look as beautiful as the ones we baked in the high-quality cupcake liners. And it's definitely not going to look as beautiful as the ones we baked in the cupcake pans. But guess what? You're still going to get multiple cupcakes in half the time. You're still going to get the texture right. You're still going to get the taste that the recipe is meant to deliver. And you still get to save time, okay? So do not expect more than what you have invested. You want good quality cupcakes in terms of the shape and the aesthetics. Invest in good quality cupcake liners. But if they're not looking so fine in terms of the shape, never mind. You can always cover them up with your cream cheese frosting, buttercream frosting, and top it up with some sprinkles. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new today. Bye-bye.